good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Bright and early in the morning. This and that. We doing an update video today. I didn't get y'all video yesterday cause I've been busy, man. Baby girl birthday is today. Teeny, Justina, it's her birthday today, the youngest. She just turned 4 years old. So man, y'all wish her happy birthday in the comments. I show her all the comment, man. That will make her day. She would be happy as ever. So y'all seeing this video is actually her birthday actually was yesterday, October 19th, and October the 18th we was at the zoo with the kids and family and all that. Man, we had a good time. So I was tired up. I didn't get a chance to vlog and all that stuff. You know that's more important. But yep, that's what we got going on today. Bright and early, man. Good early morning. My two sons up there. Chilling, man. Maybe y'all, ain't no maybe, I already know. Y'all other brother, he coming back, man. He coming back. Y'all the middle child, John Jones. See, Big Meat's the oldest. Dolo the youngest. John Jones in the middle. He coming back home, man. Y'all gonna be reunited with y'all other brother. And y'all sister, she'll be coming back too, Monte Carlo. Might have another one. I might adopt another child, man, I don't know. We'll talk about all that in this video though. So, y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in. I'm trying to get the lighting right. It's morning, so the sun just, let me step out here in the light. Cool out here too, man. Y'all see my breath? It's cool, but there's some stuff out there in the woods, boy. You see, y'all get the show. But yeah, y'all see I got the Brown Coat Game merch on. I'm gonna post some pictures on the community feed. Brown Coat Gang, y'all can see how I fit. Rocking the merch today. Yes, indeed. Finally, a day with no work clothes, man. I'm not turning no wrenches today. I'm gonna try to get y'all another vlog and go to Jesse. I might try to get by there for a fraction of a second to let y'all see what they doing and what they done did to the car. I'm ready to get that thing back. I see a lot of people ready to see the Camaro back. A lot of people hit me on Instagram ready to see the Camaro back. I'm ready. If I get that car back, well, I ain't no if. He gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it back this week. I know this for sure. So I'm gonna get it back this week. I'm going to try to hit the dyno. And make more horsepower. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Hit the dyno, make more power. Like I said, I really, man. And look, if you're on my Facebook, you know I just hit 500,000 followers on my Facebook page, man. It brought tears to my eyes. It brought tears to my eyes for real, cause it been a journey, man. You know, people see you hit certain milestones when it comes to followers and subscribers and all that, and they be like, some people think it's just a number, but like I said in the post, man, what I see when I see that 500,000, that's a lot of people. When I see that 500,000, I see the late nights I stay up, man. Them 3 a.m., 4 a.m. nights, them late nights I come back from down the road, man, from a 3.5 hour drive, or by myself, whatever. All them nights standing out there in the field or standing in the cold, recording, getting that footage in, standing on the track, never leaving the track, not even to go get nothing to drink or nothing to eat, just in grind mode. The hate and the jealousy, the envy and stuff I have to deal with. That's what I see. When I see those numbers, I hit those milestones, it make me think back on what it took to get here. And you know, it just, man, it's a blessing. It's a blessing, man. I appreciate every last one of y'all, everybody just all over the world that's supporting. That's my racing channel. You know, that's where it all started. But the Facebook page is pretty new, man. It's only 3 years old. 500,000. And we're going for that 1 million next. I'm going ahead and claiming it. I'm going to hit 1 million followers next year. Before the end of next year, we're going to hit 1 million followers, man. I got to do something monumental, man. I got to. So, me and the family, I told them soon as we hit 500K, we're going somewhere. So, got to go somewhere. I'm gonna treat myself. That's what I said. Y'all might have a surprise coming over here, man. We don't know. Oh, and the raffle. If you participate in the raffle, which it was only 2 people that sent money, I refunded it back because the wheels actually sold. Somebody just cashed out. Guy just cashed out and bought them, man. They sold on Facebook Marketplace. So the wheels are gone. 26 is gone. The next wheels I get, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Next wheels I get. But yeah, they gone. And what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna start doing once a month, I'm gonna do some kind of random giveaway to the person that shows the most love on the video and stuff, which I can keep up with it. I'm gonna start giving away merch, shirts, decals, or whatever. I'm gonna start. That was a good idea somebody said. They was talking about for the raffle, but I'm gonna just start doing it once a month anyway. Giving away some merch and everything, cause I appreciate everybody. Your choice of a shirt or face mask. I create the face mask cause some people like them, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm not a fan of wearing them. I'm not, man. I mean, I don't like nothing over my face and all that. So, but yeah, that's what we got going on. Like I said, I am thinking about picking up another ride. Y'all been seeing me mention it in my vlogs. For the simple fact, I want to enjoy myself. I want some, man. All I ever wanted was to have all my stuff running at the same time. Now, to be completely transparent and honest with y'all, I do not really trip when my stuff, I have these problems. I mean, on the business side of things, cause it don't. I mean, it pay for itself. Just to be real, you know, it's business. So even when something blow up, it still pay for itself or whatever. It's all good. The part that I don't like is I don't get to enjoy the fruits of my labor. That's the only thing that bothers me. So when y'all see me ball, it ain't cost the money. Even though I say I spent thousands of dollars, it'll pay for itself over time if it haven't already. So I just want to enjoy the fruits of my labor. So I'm gonna try to catch this last part of the year and turn up for y'all on the track. Cause when I get this Camaro back, if it comes back before Friday, which I'm thinking it will, I'm gonna go holler at Jess today so I know. If it comes back before Friday, I'm going to hit the track Friday. That's my plan. I'm going to Middle Georgia Motorsports Park and I'm gonna test that car out. And my plan is try to run a 6 something. Go in the 6s on those 18-inch hard tires. That's what I want to do. They make enough power to do it. I got a fool with the and I want to show y'all how the CO2 work, the Motion RACEWORKS CO2, and the LEASH electronics boost controller. Shout out to my 2 guys. And we got the Big T Performance torque converter in there, and I'm gonna probably be going up there soon cause I gotta get the converter for Dolo. So y'all what kind of converter going in Dolo. So we're going back at it. Dolo ain't done. Going back at it. But in the meantime, thinking about grabbing me something else to enjoy. Like I said, cause I've been I need to enjoy myself. If I get something, y'all gonna be in for a treat. That's all I can say. What else I need to update y'all on? 500K, yeah, we hit 500K. I'm trying to hit 30K on this channel before the end of the year. I'm trying to hit 30K on this channel. But you know, my channel grows a little slower than others cause I believe I'm super real, man. I'm super real. Hey, I don't go for no BS and all that, and some people don't like that. They'll come drop in and check you out cause they want to be nosy, but they don't like that, man. And I ain't, I don't be going for no BS. I just don't. Man. Cause people be talking crazy on the internet, which that's normal. People gonna troll. I've been doing this 12 years. But they won't say that same stuff to your face. They will not have that same energy in your face. Know this for a fact. I've been around people I know that said something about me. They don't say nothing. So, it is what it is with that. But yeah, I got a treat, man. I just gotta do an update video cause I didn't want to hit y'all another day with nothing. Like I said, but I am gonna shoot some kind of vlog today. I'm just kind of at a standstill cause these two, they ain't even been uncovered, man. Cause these two right here is they down right now. So but like I said, the wheels gone. We got the short block right here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it. The heads, I got to go meet up with my guy. He coming from another state to pick the heads up today, so that's why I'm shooting this early. I'm gonna get with him. I'm about to be on the move today. Baby girl birthday, so we got this evening celebrate for her again. We turned up again for Tina. My kids big on birthday, man, so they go hard for mine and Kendra, so we got to go hard for theirs. But the headers, I got to meet up with my guy this week. I was supposed to be yesterday, but I got to meet up with him. The headers, it's a lot of stuff. I got all these parts. I got Dolo engine situated, figured out. I got to figure out what I'm gonna do about meats for right now, cause y'all know me. I don't like having cars. I don't like having cars just sitting. So y'all know me, man. I mess around and cash out and just drop a little bag right quick and put another crate motor in it. If it starts in too long, cause the big block, people keep asking too. I'm not going LS, man. I'm not tricking y'all on that. I am not going LS. The reason being, and I be done went over this stuff, but I gotta understand, man, it's new subscribers probably ain't heard or missed the video. Man, the reason I don't go LS cause everybody do it now. I never did like doing what everybody do. Everybody do LS swap now, man. Now way back when I saw LS swap and I didn't even know what it was and everybody wasn't doing it, I wanted to do it then because it was different. Didn't nobody know about it. But now it's not even nothing uncommon to pop a hood and see a LS no more. So they're great engines, but they're very expensive to build. Now dollar for dollar, you building them and stuff, you know, and the way a LS set up, you know, it's an 18 degree head from the factory, which why they so great. You can get them big cubic inches, stock block. That's a great engine to build now, if you want to be competitive and stuff. But if you set a small block Chevy, a Gen 1, but a LS is a small block too. I don't know why people say small block and then a LS, but a LS is a small block too, except for LS7. But if you set up a Gen 1 small block with an 18 degree head, the power you can make is ridiculous. It's crazy. I'm talking major horsepower. You talking a race engine and stuff then. But I mean, my whole vision, I want to have one of everything in my camp. That's all I wanted. I have an LS car. John Jones is an LS power car. I don't want another. I have Dolo. Dolo's is a small block car. About to be a small block car. It stay a small block car. Big Meats is going to be a big block car. Then I got the truck right here. I got the Ford, which I never drive. I drove it last week though. I just didn't record it. I drove it last week now. But we got the Ford with a Coyote engine in it. I got a Coyote 5.0 cold out intake, MSD coil pack and stuff on it. I got that in the arsenal. So I wanted one of everything. I just don't have a Dodge. And I don't know if I'm gonna get a Dodge. I don't know. I like them. I don't know if I'm gonna get them. But I wanted one of everything in the arsenal, man. So, and that's why Dolo is a nitrous car. I got a nitrous car, John Jones turbo car. Big Meat's gonna be, I don't know. So that's the thing, man. That's Big Meats would not be LS. It's big block, big block, big block. Now, out of all the engines, my favorite is a big block. I'm a big block man. You know, back in the day, Big Meats was big block. That's my favorite engine. I like big block. The rule still stands. There's no replacement for displacement. Cubic inches, man. What do you think the top competitors, you know, they go big block Hemi or big block Chevy, most of them. Big block Chevy. So hey, it's for a reason. But yeah, you can't beat the cubic inches, man. You really can't. When somebody spin that bag, you can't beat cubic inches. You might as well throw it away. It's out. It's over with. Can't beat them. You put a power add on top of those cubic inches, it's over with. That's a fact now. That's a fact. So yeah, man. That's it. That's it, man. That's it for this video. Just wanted to update y'all and all that, and tell y'all what's going on. Keep y'all in the loop. So y'all come back tomorrow. Catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.